TradeView Trader Pro. How to use the configuration panel. Software tutorial.
Chart configuration menus, current profile, and contract. The menu offers several options to customize your charts. Step 1. If you do not have a chart window open, go to menu bar Charts and Quotes and select New Chart. In the pop-up window Market Selection, enter the contract symbol or keyword and press OK. Step 2. To access the configuration panel, click on the chevron button located in the upper right corner of the chart, or right-click in the chart and go to Configure. Current Profile. When you open the configuration panel, it may default to Current Profile. If not, select this option from the drop-down. To change a setting, locate the item and left-click to the right of the label. For instance, to change a color, you will see an ellipsis on the right. Click on the button and it will open a color palette window. Some fields may have a drop-down window with values on or off, or line width values, whereas other fields may contain numerical values, like font size, transparency, or number of columns. The Scale section allows you to customize the viewing range of the y-axis. The default setting is set to auto, so the range will change as you scroll left and right. You can manually set the lower and upper limits. For instance, you can set the lower limit to 2700 and the upper limit to 2800. Or, values can be set with your mouse scroll wheel. As I scroll left and right, the axis is locked to this range. To set back to auto, simply double left click on the axis. You can also specify the interval between the values on the y-axis. Example, set a value of every point or every 5 points. Note, the range displays in multiples of 5 points. Contract settings. Go to the drop-down and select the contract symbol, the second item listed. For instance, symbol ESM8. Under Appearance, you can change the chart style using the drop-down menu, from Candlestick to OHLC. To Line. The Styles menu has several subcategories: Series, Type, Color, Transparency, Width. Width refers to the thickness of the wick. Showrunner. The showrunner displays the last trade price and will update in real time. To disable the highlighting in the price axis, you can toggle on or off. Sessions allows you to choose what bars are visible. The default is set to 24 hours. You can change to a specific range by inputting a start and end time. For instance, if you only wanted to see cash market hours, use the range 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. The bars will now filter with this range.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.